Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys lava mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys lava mobile guys talkback disable setting, how to disable talkback, how to turn off talkback in lava mobile. Friends, you have enabled talkback on your device and friends now you want to disable because friends you are not operating your phone properly. So friends, how to disable talkback one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. Friends, you can see I cannot use my phone screen, and once your phone screen is off, once you want to unlock your lava mobile when talkback is enabled. So when you use your two fingers swipe here, you can unlock your phone. Friends, click your phone setting and friends double tap continue your phone setting, because friends if you one tap you cannot on your lava mobile phone setting. Double tap phone setting on. Friends, click here Bluetooth setting, and friends you can click on Wi-Fi setting also. Use your two fingers scroll, and friends if you use one finger you cannot swipe here, you cannot scroll your screen. Use your two fingers scroll. Intelligent assistant setting friends, one tap again friends, double tap continue. Use your two finger. Accessibility setting friends, double tap here. Talkback setting, double tap, and friends talkback is enabled, so friends click here, double tap stop button, and friends double tap here, and when talkback will disable in your lava mobile. When double tap, when talkback disable, talkback will off, and friends now you can use guys your lava mobile without talkback. Once you want to use any app, you want to on any phone setting, so you can on with one finger. And you want to close any recent app, you can close recent app with one finger. So like that friends, we can use talkback setting and we can disable talkback in lava mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Friends, now do you have any doubt in your lava mobile, so friends you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.